Hi, this is Rozansky with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over what is the S500 in fire and water damage restoration. The S500 is the industry standard for water damage restoration, developed by the IICRC to ensure safe and effective restoration in water and fire damage situations. What does S500 cover? It outlines proper procedures for assessing, drying, dehumidifying, and sanitizing water damaged areas to prevent mold and structural issues. Key components. Assessment and documentation identifies water sources, damage levels, and hazards supporting insurance claims. Water categories classified into clean, Category 1, gray, Category 2, and black, Category 3, each requiring different remediation. Drying and dehumidification uses air movers, dehumidifiers, and heaters to remove moisture and prevent mold. Cleaning and sanitation ensures contaminated areas, especially kitchen and bathrooms, are disinfected properly. Mold prevention emphasizes proper drying and sanitation to reduce risks. Applications in fire damage restoration. Firefighting efforts leave excess water that must be properly managed to prevent further damage. The S500 helps with smoke and soot cleanup. Ensures moisture is controlled in fire damage areas after the water has been removed. Emergency restoration prevents mold and structure issues after firefighting efforts, just as before. Insurance claims. Detailed documentation supports claims for fire and water damage that is essential to be based on the S500 for your insurance claim. To conclude, the S500 is critical for restoring water and fire damage properties safely and in order to follow these procedures properly for your insurance. PDQ Restoration is North Jersey's trusted expert in water and fire damage restoration. Please give us a call today.